Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best preset for your image in Lightroom. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and here it usually opens up in the gallery, but we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, then after it loads we have to go into presets in the bottom bar, as you can see here. And here we have multiple options. We either remain here in the recommended category, and then Adobe analyzes the picture and finds presets that best fit the picture, or we can go into the yours category that is created by Adobe, which analyzes your other pictures that you already edited, and then creates presets that are based on those informations, so that fit your style. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.